Good morning. I pray that this finds you in great health, happy, and not driving your parents crazy about this time. It was pretty cool to talk to some of you guys over the phone last week, and periodically I'll be checking in with you guys, so you probably hear from me one day this week as well. It was good just to hear your voices and talk to your parents and make sure everybody's okay. Um, just a quick update on our competition. I haven't had that many entries. I had a few per class, and so the competition isn't over. It'll end Friday, and I'll announce the winners Saturday. I'll probably make a video and contact those winners and let you know for Saturday. If you have uploaded it on OneDrive and I just haven't seen it, just shoot me an email or a text message. You can text me at 480-71. Let me make sure because I got a new number. 712-4046. 480-712-4046. You could even shoot me a text, say, hey, Mr. Hale, I uploaded my video, or I emailed it to you, or something like that. So I know I gotten it some in the emails, and I suspect some of you guys may have put it on OneDrive, but just let me know because it doesn't necessarily give me a message all the time. So that competition ends Friday. I'll announce the winner on Saturday. It's $10 gift card per class, $20 total, 10 for a video, 10 for just the paper version. Okay. Also, you should have received your latest emails and packets from ELA as well as math. That should have came out yesterday from Mrs. Messina and Miss Wynn, respectively. Just a quick aside. I know reading, I know math, and so if you ever need help with any of that stuff, you can contact myself as well. You can email me, call me, or things like that, and I can help as well. I don't want you to flood those lovely ladies with just a bunch of questions. I'm here to help. Lastly, I will be sending out something cool at the end of this week. Probably the end of this week, I'll send out another cool activity that you guys can do, like far as like in the social studies sort of realm. Again, it'll be strictly optional. You don't have to do it because I know you guys are getting inundated with the math, the reading, and now PE and music and stuff like that, and it's starting to feel like a regular workload. So I'll send you something out that's optional. Lastly, I'm just sitting here in my office, and I figured I'm bored. And you guys might be bored, might be interested. You only kind of just see my big face in the video, so maybe I'll show you a little small tour of my office. So let me flip the camera around. Let me see, can I do that? I thought I knew how to flip it around. Maybe I won't show a tour. Or maybe I have to do two videos here. All right, I guess I had to do two videos. I don't know how to work my own phone, but so this is my computer monitor, and so my computer monitor is an old 60-inch Pioneer Plasma. You guys know I have a visual impairment, so it just helps for me to have things pretty big. So just like my keyboard is a regular keyboard, but the font on it is bigger, and the actual contrast, the yellow and black, that helps me see things better. I received that 49ers football from Mrs. Gonzalez. Teach third grade. She hooked me up with that. This is an old 49ers like Coke bottle. I forgot what year it's from. I think it's from like 1980s or something. But my uncle was somewhere and he saw it and he's like, hey, I think my nephew would like it, and he was right. So I keep that there. Can't drink it. I mean, it'll probably kill me. It's just something that I have. This is like a 49ers. I got this from Mexico. This is a 49ers like glasses holder. Like, you know how the librarians or your grandmas have it on your glasses. I don't know why I bought it. I got it just because it was 49ers and the guy made it right there in front of me. I'll never wear those, but just cool to have an office. This is, I got this from one of the students this year for Christmas. I don't remember who, I'm sorry, but I just thought it was so cool, so I put it on my desk. This coconut, I got this from somewhere on a cruise. You can put like if you had a cup, you could put like a cup in there and pull a straw through. So if you're drinking like Kool-Aid or juice or something, you can put it in there. But I just thought it was cool to put on my speakers. That 49ers #1 fan, that's pretty cool. I got it from a student as well, and it lights up. Let me see. Where's the light? Oh, the light is on. Light is on that side. And it looks even better at night. That's my Google Home speaker. Matter of fact, I can turn my lights on and off. So, hey, Google, turn off the office. So it turned off the office. You can see it looks even better. Hey, Google, turn the office lights on. All right. Then over here, it's my little 49ers buddy. I forgot who got this for me. I think, oh, my auntie bought this for me for my birthday. Here's my dot cam, sort of like the dot cam that we have at school. I can slide stuff up under here and it goes on the screen. 49ers mouse pad. There's my laptop. You're probably wondering, why is it upside down? It's upside down because the fan has more room to blow and it doesn't get hot. And I don't like the sound of a fan blowing. It annoys me. Here's my docking station. So everything plugs into this one dock right here. And then it's just one cord that connects to the laptop. So when I want to take this laptop with me, I don't have to disconnect all those cords. I disconnect one cord. Everything plugs into here. Here's another sort of like docking cam right here. I mean, a cam. I could just see that light when I open it up. I could put stuff up under there and then it shows it on the screen. These are my speakers. So those are not your traditional computer speakers, but I'm not your traditional guy. What else do you want to see? Oh, there's my medicine ball whenever I want to work on these abs of steel here. That right there is just a 49er box of cables. That's an old laptop right there. That's my 49ers cushion. I think one of my students got for me. I don't even know what's in that box. It's another 49er box. That's my book bag when I take my laptop and stuff everywhere. That's papers and stuff I need to go through in my 49er. That's another old laptop. I'm not even going to open up that closet because it is just nonsense. Even though I cleaned it out pretty good, it's still just a bunch of cables and stuff that I need to go out even more. There's my printer. And then there's just like a little file cabinet that I keep stuff in. And then down here below, this is like a medicine ball that you, like one of those balls you see that they throw in the gym and get your abs, but I just like rubbing my feet on it. And then there's my chair with my 49ers blanket on it. So just kind of a little quick tour of my office so you can see where I make my videos at, where I grade papers, where I go on OneDrive, where I check emails, where I send out emails, everything. So maybe we'll do some type of video contest where you can show me your space where you do work at in the future. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Talk to you guys later. Love you. Be safe.